Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install Firefox browser on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook, there are two ways to install Firefox browser. You can either use the Linux terminal or Google Play Store. I have already made a video on how you can install Linux version of Firefox browser using Linux terminal. So I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. However, here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Android version of Firefox browser. For that, simply open Google Play Store, click on search option, search for Firefox, and from the search result, simply select the application, then click on install. This will install the Android version of Firefox browser. Once it gets installed, you can simply close Google Play Store. Now to open it, click on App Launcher, look for Firefox browser and open it. You will get the welcome screen, simply click on continue. Also, you will get a prompt to set Firefox as the default browser. If you want to set it as a default browser, then simply select the browser and click on set as default. And after that, simply complete the setup process. And after that, you are ready to use Firefox browser on your Chromebook. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.